Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here and we're back with another video. We're back with Nikki Reacts, and for today's video, we're gonna be reacting to creepy videos caught on a Ring camera. If you guys have any Ring cameras in your house, check them out and have them checked. See if they're actually legit and if there's no hackers hacking into the Ring camera system you got. And before we get into the video, please do subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that bell right next to it. Yeah, click it. Click it right there. Yep. There you go. Let's get into watching Ring camera videos. Yeah.
I'm your best friend.
As 8-year-old Alyssa LeMay stood in her room,
Oh, wow.
a terrifying voice spoke to her.
A Ring hacker?
I'm Santa Claus. Don't you want to be my best friend?
The horrifying
I do not want to be your best friend if you sound like that. Speaking via the camera, no thank you.
sound coming from this Ring security camera installed in the child's bedroom, which she shares with her two sisters.
I come upstairs
In the child's bedroom
and
too.
I hear some banging noise. I was like, who is that?
For 5 minutes, the voice
I'd be
taunted the
freaked
young
out too,
girl,
girl.
playing strange music, even instructing her to destroy her room.
You can mess up your room. You can
What?
break your TV. You can do whatever you want. Can you bring
Oh, I
like
can
a
do
web
whatever I want.
browser up on your phone and then type in the website that I tell you?
No. I don't know who you are.
No.
I'm Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? Really? You got gifts? Are you coming down the chimney? What is going on? Better not be a jump scare. What is that? Oh my gosh, what is that? What? What? What the heck? What the heck was that? What the heck was that? They just wanna you just want to show their hand up in the camera, like a little silhouette, making animal figures with their hands. What the heck? People are crazy. This is why we have like CCTV cameras all around your house, just to keep them away, or just, you know. Oh, they're probably on something. Oh, wow. He's so hostile. I'm gonna try again. Go ahead, go ahead. Good, kick him one more time. The door is too strong for you.
A California family noticed something very
They're like, wait, I can't kick it anymore. Let's just give up. He's like, after 3 tries, we're like, let's just go. It's useless, it's hopeless. Let's just go to another house with, you know, flimsy doors.
very strange on their security camera. They say a man spent 3 hours, yes, 3 hours licking their doorbell.
Oh, God.
The homeowners were out of town at the time, but their kids were home.
Kind of laughed about it afterwards because technically he did.
I don't want to say anything. That's just wrong in all angles. That's just very wrong in all angles. Whichever side you look at, wrong in many ways. People are crazy. This is why we have cameras to see how crazy people are.
Do harm anybody. He didn't break anything.
Okay, so
But it's
police have identified
uncomfortable.
the man. They're looking for him now. He could face charges of petty theft and prowling.
Pretty good look at his face right there.
Prowling. Petty theft. Oh my word. What's this? You know what that sounds like? It sounds like this. It's like someone breathing into the Ring camera's microphone. Do you think that's scary? It's not normal. It's not normal. Why am I doing it again? Oh my gosh. It's very uncomfortable. It sounds kind of demonic though. Oh gosh. No jump scares, please. What is that in the side? What is that? What's that? It's just like someone... Pop on the screen already. You know what? That last clip, it might just be something flowing or like wind flowing on the... It's like flowing by the camera lens and it just looks like someone's there, but it's not. These Ring cameras, they capture the craziest things. This is why CCTV footages are more so genuine than other creepy videos, because other creepy videos you can like alter or edit. Unlike CCTV footages, it's like straight out of the camera. Click it in, like plug it in and check it out. I'm like, oh, people do some crazy stuff. So yeah, that was Ring camera, like creepy videos caught on Ring cameras. And if you guys have any Ring cameras, please check them out, because that first video with the Ring hacker, good gracious, hackers all over the place. So yeah, if you guys have any Ring camera videos that you guys want to share to the world, please comment them down, yeah. Brothers of all types of brothers. So on that note, please do subscribe. Click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram, because why not? Yeah, more haunted videos coming. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.